Welcome students. Now session discuss IUPAC of alcohol and aldehyde functional group. So type of before session alcohol IUPAC name with alkane compound alkyl group react with alcohol group functional group and basic apply with IUPAC name. Today discuss type of alcohol. So alcohol group how will be attached with the alkyl group. Alcohol group is a OH. How will be attached with the alkyl group. So based on the types now discuss. So primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. The first type and diol, triol is the another one type. Is the open chain compound alkane, alkene, alkyne react with alcohol. Is the example one first example already known one carbon meth and only one functional group of alcohol group is called alcohol meth or methanol. And next this is a alkene compound. The carbon to carbon double bond here is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, the third carbon, 3 carbon present. So prop first in prop 1 in 1 or anyone propene 1 and first carbon double bond 1 and first carbon alcohol 1 all prop 1 in prop 1 in and 1 all propanol. So double bond mention of 1 in. Next is the primary alcohol. The alcohol group is also 1 times. And next will be that primary alcohol is a closed chain aromatic ring C6H5 is a phenyl group. Before session discuss. So phenyl group with alcohol group is attached with phenyl group with alcohol phenol. The phenyl group is a benzene discuss, that only is the benzene, one hydrogen removed is a phenyl group. Old session discuss and attached with the alcohol group is a phenol. And next discuss is the secondary alcohol. Is a secondary alcohol means is the center of the carbon atom same position attached with the other functional group. This is a methyl functional group. CH4 removed one hydrogen is a CH3 is a methyl functional group is also attached. This is a 1R, this is a methyl group, this is a 1R. So the two methyl group attached with the carbon atom, center carbon atom, and again alcohol attached. That the structure already discussed. And the straight line is a CH3 bond CH3 OH. Yesterday class or before class discussed isopropyl alcohol 3 carbon prop 2 all the same structure is also known CH3 and alcohol is the isopropyl alcohol propane 2 all. So two methyl group present the same carbon atom and the same methyl group or same different alkyl group present as also same carbon atom attached with alcohol group is called secondary alcohol. The clue word is this is a one alkyl group, this is a one alkyl group, and the same carbon atom present alcohol is known as secondary. Here also only one R group present, here also only one R group attached carbon atom alcohol group, here also one functional group attached another alcohol atom. So primary alcohol. Here also two alkyl group attached the carbon atom, the same carbon atom alcohol attached, so secondary alcohol. So next tertiary alcohol, the same carbon atom 3 alkyl group is the same group or different group also present possible. So simple example. So R the same carbon atom attached trialkyl group, the same carbon atom attached to alcohol functional group. So tertiary alcohol. So primary, secondary, tertiary. Next discuss the ethane CH3 bond CH3 remove of the one hydrogen atom CH2, remove of the one hydrogen atom CH2, one bond is also removed. Alcohol group is the 2 time attached. IUPAC name used 2 time means di, 3 times tri, already discussed. The same functional group more time used the IUPAC name. So carbon based first carbon, second carbon, 1,2, basic on that 2 carbon eth, all carbon atom present in the ethane, 2 times di, functional group of alcohol, 1,2 ethane dialcohol or diol, the short name is diol. Here also first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, 3 carbon, 1,2, 3, first position alcohol, second position alcohol, third position carbon alcohol. So mention the number, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, 3 carbon, mentioned the prop, alt carbon is the single bond, so propane, 3 times of alcohol tri, and functional group of tri times alcohol, 1,2, 3, propane trialcohol or triol is a short name. Next discuss of aldehydes. So next discuss aldehyde functional group. So aldehyde functional group is a bond CHO short form, and next react with the R functional group of alkyl group of IUPAC name. So expand form carbon double bond oxygen is a expand form, already known is a bond. So now we use it of the short form. The first use it the same one carbon also here, one carbon here, so attach with a single bond only, balance. So single bond is the bond order hydrogen, so hydrogen will be attached, bond carbon double bond O and hydrogen. This is a CHO is a aldehyde group, and only one balance of the single bond hydrogen attached. So this is a one carbon meth and aldehyde, methanaldehyde. So short form methanol, AL used here also very important, and hereafter methanol OL is methanol, NaL, METHNAL is a methanol. Hereafter the pronunciation same, is a primary alcohol methanol, is the primary alcohol methanol, aldehyde methanol, aldehyde, primary aldehyde, but the spelling is also AL. Hereafter alcohol spelling is a OL. And next will be the discuss, next will be the aldehyde functional group react with one methyl group CH3CHO. So 2 carbon is here, already known, eth and aldehyde, that's all, ethanaldehyde, and the chain is will be increased means what, CH3 group center will be used the CH2 chain and CHO. So 3 carbon propanaldehyde, the short name ethanol, AL, very important, is a propanol, one propanol is a very important. So the chain will be increased, the depth, butanaldehyde, pentanaldehyde is also increased, but the common name is very important, is the form, the basic concept is of aldehyde. So common name is called formaldehyde, The formaldehyde 40% in aqueous solution is formalin solution. That solution is called preservative solutions. So important uses for depth discussed for 12th standard. And next will be the acetaldehyde. acid part is also increasing of the first methyl group, so common name is a acetaldehyde. The next is also crotonaldehyde, and the next depth will be the increase. Propanaldehyde is IUPAC name is also very easy of aldehyde functional group, but the difficult of common functional group name, common name is very difficult. The formaldehyde, acetaldehyde is also increase. That's all. So next class discuss for another functional group, acid and ketone, and the different functional group discuss. Thank you to all.